my name is Briana Silva, and I work for the Ventura office here in Ventura, California for the Cullen Insurance Agency. I'm actually a customer service rep and a sales producer. I do both. Mostly right now I'm a customer service rep, but I do sell policies when needed since I am licensed in property and casualty. I enjoy working here very much. It's a big change from previous agencies I've worked for, and it's definitely very supporting, and there are a lot more employees obviously throughout the other offices, so it makes my job a lot easier when I can't get to the phone because I know there's someone else in another office that can get the line for me to help us out. We all try to, it's like a big family. We answer all the calls. We do the maintenance of all the policies. We make sure that we also do insurance reviews to make sure that we find all the holes, if there are any holes, in coverage, and to make sure that everyone is part of the Good Hands program, to make sure they're fully covered with their home, with their autos, life insurance, and of course, if have businesses, to make sure that we also try to insure their business or see what we can do, and also provide an umbrella coverage, if it's something that is recommended for them. Most people will say, oh, it's so boring. It's not. I mean, there's always a solution to everyone's problem, and for me, it's finding that solution that it kind of, spurs me on, to continue learning, because you can't always say, oh, I know everything about insurance, because you can't. It's always changing, and it's not just, I don't do just, personal lines. I also still remember a lot of my training from commercial lines that I had with my previous agency. So it helps out here whenever I can. The dog, actually, this dog's name is Rover. And that's actually because that is one of the names of the canines for the Ventura Canine unit. The Ventura Police Canine Unit is actually a separate entity. It still, of course, is with the Ventura Police Department, but they receive their funding directly through donations. So, of course, they have different events, and usually the month of October is their big drive for annual donations. Of course, the money for the food, the money to acquire new dogs, the vet bills, which, if anyone is a dog owner like I am, taking care of a dog isn't cheap. It's definitely like having children. Mm-hmm. So you definitely have to make sure, and especially with their hardworking dog animals, they're parts of people's families, and so it's a joy to be able to help them out whenever I can. And my office manager and I have actually been parts of different fundraising events, whether it's the dinners or like a fun fair or anything like that, and just to go out, and even if it's just to set up the canopies for all the vendors, it's something, because they always need someone to help out and to help raise money by speaking to other people and saying, hey, so where do you donate to? So for sure, the dogs. I'm also interested in the American Cancer Society. I'm actually been a part of it off and on, mostly donating myself. But coming up in 2019, I'll be an active part of actually setting up at least one Relay for Life campaign. Not just making my own team, creating it, but I'm actually on the board, which is a small board of people to set up for the actual day, because it is a 24-hour event that helps. Obviously American Cancer Society has other events too, but this one is the main one to help for the research and the support of everyone who is afflicted with cancer. Not only the people who pass away, but the survivors, the caretakers. I mean, it takes a whole team to go ahead and make sure that every single person makes it through their own battle. I mean, I know that personal experience, that they do provide amazing services, for the person himself that's going through the challenge, but also with the caretakers to help the support with support groups, different things that you may need, even it's just to help take care of your family member, your loved one that is going through all of it.